If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. Hi, welcome back to Bignol. In this video, we are going to learn how to use constant in a Swift programming language. The value of a constant does not need to be known at compile time. We can say that constant value cannot be changed. A constant or a variable must have the same type as the value you want to assign to it. We use let keyword to make a constant. Here you can see that the demo is an implicit integer constant. We didn't specify the type of data. You can follow the same way to make an implicit double constant. We can also create explicit double constant as like variables. Okay, let's dive into an example. We know pi is a constant, so I declare it as a constant. Now print the pi value. We can use constant to another variable to make some calculations. Okay, what will happen if I reassign the value of pi? Oops, we got an error. Cannot assign to value. Pi is a let constant. In computer programming, a constant is a value that cannot be altered by the program during normal execution.
Okay, it's time to another exercise. Complete this exercise and come back.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the tutorial, please like this video.